just was going to make these mug cakes. It's a brownie mug cake that can be made in 1 minute. So I just wanted to make this and see how it tastes, because it's like I hear all these recipes of these, and it comes with 4 packs. I heard recipes of mug cakes, so I just wanted to try this. And, you know, to try a mug cake. It only takes 1 minute to make, and I couldn't find any measuring spoons, so I just got this big spoon. So all I do, it says to empty 1 pouch in a microwave-safe 12-ounce cup mug. I think this is 16 ounces, but anyway. Oh, I need scissors. I need scissors for this. It's really cool, though. Okay, I'm gonna put this in this clear mug. I got this from Amazon, this mug. Oh, now I gotta put this in. Alright, now it says to add 3 tablespoons of water and milk and stir with a spoon. Then again, I could not find measuring spoons, so I got this spoon. And I opened this evaporated milk, so let's see. I just put as much that I thought would be in there. And then I'm just going to stir it. I gotta stir this. I don't know how this is going to come out, y'all, but we'll see how it comes out. I might make a part 2, because I don't know. It's getting kind of okay. 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 Now, oh, there's some more in here. Alright, now it says put in the microwave for 1 minute and 10 seconds. I'm going to do that. 1 minute and 10 seconds. So now I put it in the microwave for 1 minute and 10 seconds. I don't know how this is going to come out, but I'm going to get this fork. So yeah, it should come out good. I hope it does, because I think I put a little too much milk in it, but it's okay. It should come out fine. It's 43 seconds now. I might make a part 2, because this video is almost done. Oh, yeah. It is almost done. So I'll do a part 2 to this video. I will do a part 2, and you'll see when I come back the finished product. Okay, I'll show you when it comes out. Now it stopped, so the timer went off. And it's interesting. See how it looks. See. It says let cool, but I don't know how long I'm gonna let it cool for. But I cooked it for like 1 minute and 10 seconds. It's a 1 minute mug cake, like I said. So let's see how it is. It says cool before eating. I don't know how long I should let it cool for. Like, see, this is how it looks. Let me see. It's kind of like, yeah, spongy. See? Kind of spongy. I don't know if I should put it back in. It looks like it's cooked all the way, because it is a 1 minute cake. And it says, by the way, it says, do not eat raw batter. So I think I'm just going to eat it now and see how. Let's see. Look, it's a 1 minute. Let's see how it is. I don't know, y'all. It tastes good. I might buy this again. I think I got this at Walmart or Target. By the way, this is what it looks like. It's like a brownie. This is a brownie. It has 4 in here. I just wanted to share it with you. That's pretty good. This is really good stuff. It's really good, and it only takes 1 minute and 10 seconds. So, 1 minute and 10 seconds. Yeah, I use this in this microwavable. This is a 16-ounce mug, I think, but it says at least a 12-ounce mug. So I just wanted to give y'all a part 2. This is so good. And if y'all aren't following me like on YouTube, I'm gonna post this on YouTube as well as a full video. No, this is really good. This is what it is. This is a brownie mug cake. Only 1 minute and 10 seconds. And there are the instructions on the back. But this is really good, y'all. I didn't expect it to be so good. So, thank you. So, I just wanted you guys can try this. It's really good. I hope y'all enjoy when you try it, because this is really good. It's like it tastes kind of like a texture of a cake, but it's a brownie. I don't know how to explain it, but yeah.